Black and Decker, isn't it?
Actually, we have just taken on a second plot, and this is the first time we've actually been. Now we're about to step foot on our new plot and have a look and see what's already there. It's very overgrown, I'll warn you now. There's a lot of work that needs doing. So we've got in this far. So that's my peppers, chili peppers and aubergines all in. Onto this bit. So this bit is going to be all beds. So there'll be beds that go along like that with a only a little tiny path in between. I've now done this, so this needs straightening up, but I have done the paths. Right, so that's the cover off. Now to get the new one on. There's Lucy, she's just watering the plants, the seeds and stuff in the greenhouse. So these are our broad beans. They are starting to fall over and they desperately need harvesting. But that's a whole flower pot full of them.
4 seed potatoes.
Yeah, from 4 seed potatoes there was. Look at that one. So I'm going to go and get some secateurs and cut that one off. So we have had blight on our tomatoes. And then we've got our polytunnel. Let's go in there. First of all, these are the razzmatazz chili peppers. Some loofahs. So I've got this one. Yeah, these are the Telegraph Improved, and we have done really, really well with these this year.
Swearing.
So this is my little greengrocers. And then the beds, we're going to do a bit of work on these today, I think. Got Chloe on the allotment plot with me today, although she's been sitting up here doing her drawing of a woodpecker. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you all in the next one.